Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Flavorful, traditional, and so cozy. This is my chicken pot pie, and this is the recipe. Let me show you how easy it is to make, and let's get started. First things first, I start by shredding some chicken breast, and I just boiled until fork tender, added half an onion with the boiling water. I'm gonna set aside and start chopping 2 large carrots. I love the look of round carrots in the chicken pot pie, but if you want them to cook a little softer, you have to boil them for 5 minutes or maybe chop them much smaller than this. Dice into cubes, I'll say. Now let's start cooking. I add 100 grams of unsalted butter, let it melt. When the pot is hot enough, I'm gonna add some garlic, 4 chopped garlic cloves, and 1 small onion. Add your slightly boiled carrots and cook for a minute or 2. There are so many ways you can make this an easier recipe. If you don't want to chop, you can get frozen carrots. If you don't want to cook the chicken, you can always get rotisserie chicken and shred it and add it to the pot pie. I season a little bit. I add 1 teaspoon of celery seed, salt, and black pepper. As always, I'll leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. It's looking good. I add 1/3 cup of flour and I cook the flour for a minute inside the pot. I add 1 3/4 cup of chicken stock. I saved the stock that I cooked the chicken inside, and I'm using it now. When it comes to a boil, I'm gonna add 1 cup of whole milk, let it come back to a boil. It's gonna thicken and become nice, gravy-like thickness. If you're liking my recipes and want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media, the links are going to be in the description box below. The sauce is perfect and it's coating the wooden spoon nicely. I add the frozen peas and carrot, 8 ounces, 8 ounces of sweet corn. I add the shredded chicken. Adjust the seasoning for the last time and add 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream for that extra creaminess and rich flavor. Now the filling is ready. If you want to make your life easier, you can totally top this with a pie crust and bake it just the way it is inside the pan. But today I'm gonna make it traditional. I'm gonna get a pie dish. I'm using a Pillsbury pie crust. It's great in this recipe so that you won't have to make your own. But if you want a great pie crust recipe, I have one on my YouTube channel. I'll add the link in the description box below. You're gonna smooth it as much as possible. Make some holes with a fork, just like so. Add your filling, a very generous amount. Can you see how good this will be after baking? It is so creamy, cozy, and delicious. Can't wait to bake it. Top with the second layer of pie crust and make a hole or 2 for the steam to escape, just like so. Crimp the edges just like so, all around. Tightly seal it. Brush with an egg wash, 1 egg mixed in with 2 tablespoons of water. I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and I'm gonna bake it until golden and crispy. It's gonna take about 25 to 30 minutes. Keep an eye on it because every oven is different. Leave your comments and questions in the comments box below and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. The whole thing disappeared in half an hour. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It's amazingly good. And until next time, bon appétit!